Hi guys, this is a quick video on frequency distribution table, how to make this table. I'm quite in a rush right now, so I might rush this a little bit. So for question 1, for example, I'm not going to go through the frequency because that's basically just counting how many data is for each range. So for the first one, is like normal range, 70 to 79, 80 to 89, and so on, right? We just follow the pattern, 90 to 99. Next will be 100 to 109, then 110 to 119, right? Now class boundary is basically connecting the decimal point. So you can see that there is a gap between 79 and 80. Like for example, what if I ask you, how about 79.1? Where does that belong, right? You have to decide on that. So that's where class boundary comes in. Basically, if it's like integer, it's usually being connected by 0.5. So 69.5 to 79.5. Now this 79.5 has to connect with the next class boundary, which is the lower class boundary. So 79.5 to 89.5. So you can see they are actually connected. So instead of going like 70 to 79, and then there's a gap over here, 80 to 89, the class boundary will connect this gap. So this gap is going to be, in our case, 79.5, right? 89.5 here. And then this is 69.5. So it's connected. We know where does the number belong. So you might ask me, where does 79.5 belong? It belongs to this one, the second one, the lower class boundary. Okay, anyways, we continue the pattern. 89.5 to 99.5, 109.5 to 119.5. I made a mistake. 99.5 to 109.5, and then 109.5 to 119.5. So you got to make sure that these two are the same. They're being connected, like you're connecting the lines. Class mark is referring to the middle number or the average in this class. So how we calculate 74.5 is actually 70 plus 79 divided by 2. Make sure there's a bracket when you calculate this. 70 plus 79 divided by 2. That's the average, 74.5. Now if you calculate for 80, 80 plus 89, enter, divided by 2 is 84.5. You can see there's a pattern. So instead of calculating, I already know the pattern. I'm just going to follow the pattern. Now for the frequency, you're just going to count. So for example, the numbers between 70 and 79 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and that's why it's 5 over here. Okay, so I think you can do that. And yeah, so that's it for this video. Sorry, I'm quite in a rush right now. Hopefully you understand. Bye.